Guys, I'm Charlie. Today I will be showing you what's inside a phone. But before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Alright, wait, when was the last time I did that? Give me a huge thumbs up. That was actually the Coke and Mentos video. Maybe I should just add a little clip in there real quick. Yep. That would be nice. And if you want to watch the whole video, link in the description below.
Okay.
Bam. Okay, so guess let's put it in there. I'm so scared.
Do it fast. Fast.
Go! Jeez. Well, I guess that was something. Well, now I'm covered in Coke.
Here, put.
Did you enjoy the clip? I hope you did. But now, let's just open up the phone. Let's see what's inside of a phone. Alright, so you I'll be right back. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I was able to get it open. Now, okay, I don't know if I should be doing this, but got that. Now, I need to go grab a screwdriver, so I'll see you guys in a second. No phones were harmed in the making of this video, and I couldn't find one, so just use this. Yes, I have a real screwdriver, just right now, that's what I'm using. Oh man, I've never done this, and normally I don't open electronics because, well, who just casually does that? I'm doing it for you guys' entertainment, so you guys can see what really is inside this thing. Alright, you guys. Okay, this is kind of hard. This is impossible. Oh. Okay, we'll be right back. Yes. There we go. I've got the screws off. Wait, does that mean I can just... You saw me earlier, so I don't think I can just do that. But maybe I can. I don't go to Boy Scouts, so it's going to be kind of hard. Please share this with your friends. Or you're going to have to watch this for like 10 hours, please. Or maybe even 1,000. I feel like I'm going to break the plastic or something. No. Should I unplug the battery? Because I don't know the battery. No, maybe I'm just not going to. Oh my gosh. How do people do this? Actually, no, I don't think people just casually open their phones. And just so you know, no phones were harmed because I'm going to put this back together. And, well, this is a phone. This isn't our home phone, so. 'We have a different one. Okay, I was just reading the caution. As it said caution, I was like, you've caught my attention. Comment down below, you guys. Actually, no, I don't think I'm gonna put comments on this video. I don't know. You have muscles. Please subscribe for this. I'm not doing this for no reason. I do this so I can get subscribers. My goal, please help me reach it, 100. I want to try and get me maybe at least by the end of February. We'll be right back. You don't get it. Now the battery's off. Out of it, so there's a better chance I'm not gonna get hurt. Okay, I'm gonna go grab something. Yeah, I'll be right there. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, so I'm not using this to hurt anybody. Just using this to pry this open. Well, my main problem is I can't, like, okay, so it makes it be a little bit easier. How am I doing? How am I going to do this? Wait a minute. Oh, I'm seeing a little sneak peek and I'm liking it. Sort of. Look at that, I'm getting the phone cover off. Right. I want to not pause the video because I want you guys to see like how you guys can open a phone even though you probably shouldn't do this at home. Yeah, I'm a trained professional. Alright. Only I could mumble my voice. Only I knew how to do that. We'll be right back. Now I have to pry it all the way back open. Don't worry, you guys, don't mess with me, I have a knife. I saw when I was I see a sneak peek and I'm liking it, I saw the insides. I got a little bit of a sneaky peeksy. Trying to release, this hasn't been opened probably ever, so I'm trying to release the side pressure because it's stuck on. So I'm trying to release all the pressure on the side because it's closed in. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but it's kind of hard to explain. I am already sweating. I'm sweating so hardly because I'm trying to get this phone. Is this boring for you guys? Just tell me. Oh wait, no, because you're watching this on a screen. Now, if I were talking to you and I had a lot of comments on this video, and then I would probably ask you a question. But if there's no way to answer, then what's the whole point of the question? I'm just gonna take a. Oh my goodness! You guys can see. You can kind of. That's all you get for now. I'm seeing something. And, wow. Wasn't exactly what I thought it would be. Here you go, you guys. I'm going to be right back. Okay, so I just noticed I could probably unscrew those screws there. Probably could not, but the battery's out. What could go wrong? I got a little sneak peek of under this. It's like, look, if I press a button, then it goes up and I can, oh, yes, yes. Screwdriver, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. That's it. This isn't very good. Why am I doing this? Really? I thought there would have to be some microphone system in it. Really, no, it's just, yeah. That's why we're opening up like the inside part. So then you and me can see what's. Yeah, please subscribe. I am not doing this for absolutely no reason. I want to get something out of it. Oh, that is weird. I don't know if I like the other side very much. What? It's not all that you think. What is that? What's wrong? That's the microphone up there. That is how oh yeah, I'm on the phone. So on your, whenever you're speaking on the phone, always speak up there. That's the microphone. Be like, ah, I like your kudgy. Okay. But now the number pad, really, you can just take it off. And then you just have the base plate. That's what's inside of the phone. Wow. These are all the numbers and stuff. Okay, so that's it for the video. If you liked it, do not try this at home. Turn on notifications, give me a thumbs up. See you guys later. Bye.